Falcon, 08 Delta.
SoCal citation 686 Juliet Hotel, 1000 for 9,000.
686 Juliet Hotel, SoCal approach, reduced speed to 200 for sequence.
Alright, backing down to 200 for 6 Juliet Hotel.
Juliet Hotel, turn left heading 200, descend to maintain 7,300.
Left to 200 and down to 7,300, 6 Juliet Hotel.
Air 2108 Zulu, contact Palomar Tower 118.6.
Over to Palomar Tower 118.6, we have November.
Good day. 13 Mike, fly heading 150.
150, 13 Mike.
08 Delta traffic, 2 o'clock, 2.5 miles, currently northeastbound off your right side.
08 Delta, still looking.
08 Delta, go ahead and climb to your photo. Actually, he's on heading, looks like he'll pass off your right behind you, making a left turn, no pass.
Okay, we do have him in sight now for 08 Delta, we'll maintain visual separation.
08 Delta, contact approach 125.3, good day.
25-3, 08